Alright guys, so what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so what's going on is that I just want to let you guys know like what I'm doing to my hair. I know a lot, I haven't been doing like as many hair videos as I was, but that's just because of like all the story times that I've been getting from people, and that's just because of like all the things that just been happening that I definitely want to touch on. This video is going to be quick, so I'm not like completely set up. I'm literally just recording right now, like literally holding the phone. But I haven't been doing anything like really different. Like my hair has definitely been growing. It's been like living its life, so to speak. I have tried something new. It's the aloe vera gel, like pre-shampoo. So my hair really likes that. What I do is I take like a old eco, like one of the big tubs of Eco Styler, and I put the and I put the aloe Vera gel in it, and with that I put like a couple drops of peppermint oil to take away from the smell, if there's any. It's not really a smell, but I just like, you know, for my hair to smell minty. I don't know why. I love peppermint oil. I love what it does for your hair. So I used a couple drops of peppermint oil, and then I put a couple drops of castor oil in there as well. So actually I just rinsed it out. Generally, like if I know I'm about to wash my hair, I'll like take a shower and wet my hair really good, and then I'll come in here. I'll definitely do a video on it, and then I'll come in here and I'll section it off, like just section my whole head off, do it in small parts, and I'll apply the gel like mainly to my roots so that it can like get the nutrients and everything in my roots. And then after that, I'll like after I twist everything up, I just put two bonnets on, the one bonnet so that like all the water and everything and like the extra stuff can just like soak into that, and then I put the extra on there so it can kind of like seal it and heat it in. So I do that, and then today I'll leave it in for like 24 hours, and then I'll take a shower and I'll do my conditioner. So that's how I do that. I actually just did it, so I just put my conditioner on it. My curls are popping. My hair, I can definitely notice that my hair is getting a lot longer and it's getting a lot stronger, so I really like it. I'll definitely keep doing it. I probably wouldn't do it every day, but like I said, I do it whenever I'm about to wash my hair, so I'll probably do it in another 3 days, and I'll probably take a video on that. But that's all I've been doing. I've been like trying to perfect my craft, so like I've been getting a lot better at braiding. So I have packs of braiding hair in my room. I'm getting better at just like learning new things for my hair. So it's definitely taking the time out and just learning like more about my hair and more about the products that my hair likes. My hair used to really like Aussie, but I feel like my hair got used to it, so now I have to find something else to supplement Aussie products. At least not all my Aussie products, because I love Aussie, but I definitely have to find like a happy medium, so to speak. What else have I been doing? That's about it. No, but for real, definitely, I would definitely say I've learned a lot about my hair. I've definitely learned a lot about my branding. So like I keep mentioning in videos, I do have hella merch that I'm like ready to release, waiting to release once this is all over. And I'm actually about to drop some of the promos for it soon, just because we're supposed to open up May 1st, so I'll definitely be dropping some of those promos. But like I said, it's a quick video. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe down below, and if you already a subscriber, thank you for showing love. Thank you for getting my video around. Thank you for sharing my video. If you share it with your friends, your girlfriends, your boyfriends, whatever y'all doing, thank you. I much appreciate it. Just thank you. So that is it for this video. I know I don't have like a great opening. Do you have more to say? I know that was it for this video, but stay tuned. We'll have a couple more things.